What's up guys, it's me again, and today I'm gonna show you nice way to use blending modes inside mask selection, especially when you're using color range selection. It's quite useful. So I mostly apply this to my product photography when you need something that has certain color of the background, but you don't want to lose your shadows and all your lighting setup kind of feel to the subject, and you want to change the background, or you should for example on the white background, and you want to be pure white but with this shadow line and so on and so forth. So let's jump into Photoshop, and I will show you right now. Let me adjust only this here. Okay, so what do we have here is exercise mat shot on white background. We have some footprint on the background itself. The aspect ratio isn't the exactly the way that I want it to be, but this is not the main thing that we are doing today. So what do I like to do is to make copy of the background. I don't use unlock function to the background because I want to background to be untouched. So I hit Command J to duplicate this layer. I click on the background layer, put blank layer, and fill it with white for this particular example. So I hit function shift F5, and we have white layer underneath. As you can see, the white background on this photo isn't purely white, as you can see right now. So we need to put this purely white layer visibility in the place where this color is. So we choose layer 1, select color range, probe on this color invert, and you have something that is quick mask selection, and Photoshop is telling us that this red area is gonna be invisible, basically. As you can see, we have some bleed out here and here because this was the same color as the background or similar, but we will hit OK, and we hit mask, and we have what we want to achieve, with one slightly annoying problem. If you see the selection, you can see that this isn't purely transparent invisible mask, because we have some kind of bleeding white smear right here, and this isn't acceptable. So what do we have to do is to make things manually. So we hit brush tool, and if I will use, as it should be set on normal, I will hit white, and we are free to go with erasing this black black parts of our mask. So it's pretty common that we will use this as we want to be we want this mask to be solid, right? And we can do just like this. Okay, sorry, it will be very quick, but this time we need okay. And as you can see, if I go accidentally right here, it will change the color to black color to white, and we will reveal what was originally on this picture, that is gray background. But what this tutorial is about is blending modes, exactly overlay. In this case, if you hit overlay in blending mode with only the brush, you will have ability to change every color, every grade of black except pure black into white. So if we have something like this, that black is not purely black, I can easily wipe it out in this one. But if we hit here, it's gonna be very hard. If it's turning white, it means that this isn't pure black. So we will do pure black here, and when we change to white, nothing happens. So if we have something like this, we can gently work our way over the edges and change this not so black, grayish kind of mask into solid black, and then we will change to white, and from the other side, gently but surely, we will change our mask without worrying that I go over the line. As you can see, it's quite safe to work with the edges. Okay, so we like this, and as I mentioned before, we don't want to mess with this shade because this is what makes this photo more credible. So it's more likely it's not a visualization but the photo. So now we can turn off this, and the end result is like this. So we have bring back this area which was transparent before, this area with regular normal blending mode on the brush, and we will work on our edges with overlay blending mode on the brush. And that's it. It's very simple. You can play with it and try different things with it. I will show you once again overlay. If I want to refine the edge, I can do something like this. I can easily remove all of this shadow with overlay without worrying that I will damage the main structure of our subject. So that's it, guys. For me, this was very quick tip to how to use blending modes with brush tool inside the masking process. I hope you like it, and if you like this kind of short tips and tricks videos, hit the like button. If you don't like it, you know what you can do, but if you like it, if you want me to go this way, please hit subscribe button. It will make a difference for me. And please write a comment in the description down below, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.